The next war will start with a missile, a cyber attack, or a political flashpoint. Well, that is what we know, but that is not how it happens. Wars start quietly with a system that fails, a signal missed, a turbine crack that no one saw, a satellite drifting 2 millimeters off orbit. Now, what if we could predict these failures before they strike? That is not science fiction anymore, that is SentinelPredict. Modern defense systems are over-engineered, overextended, and underprotected. One jet failure can cost $80 million. Dollars. One satellite misalignment can cost intelligence dominance. One unnoticed system degradation can cost a war. And yet, 90% of defense maintenance today is reactive or scheduled blindly. Billions are spent fixing things after failure. Now, that is not security, that is luck. And luck is no longer a strategy. SentinelPredict is our response, a proprietary AI system that detects asset failure before it ever reaches the surface, whether it is the micro vibrations in a fighter jet, the thermal stress of orbital hardware, or the predictive fatigue in autonomous land systems. SentinelPredict sees what humans, manuals, and even traditional sensors miss. It is not just AI, it is defense preemption software. Lago, our defense and space fund, didn't invest in SentinelPredict because it sounded cool. We did it because the future of defense will be won by foresight, not firepower. Imagine a NATO fleet that reroutes before parts fatigue, an airbase that runs zero unplanned downtimes, or a constellation of satellites that never drop intelligence due to heat damage. That is no longer theory. That is what we are building before the rest of the world wakes up to the cost of delay. Because here is the one truth: every failure in defense is a forecast someone ignored. We are making sure our partners never have to. This isn't a venture bet, it is national infrastructure. We are inviting a small number of investors and strategic stakeholders to join us because global defense needs precision capital. If SentinelPredict and the Lago thesis align with how you think about power, precision, and sovereignty, then let's talk.